Automated trading platforms like NinjaTrader offer incredible speed and efficiency, but getting to the starting line requires you to navigate a massive amount of technical setup and mechanical friction. Before a single trade is placed, you have to build the environment locally. You are mapping out custom indicators, configuring intricate chart settings, and saving local templates, hoping they all synchronize correctly. Next, you have to pipe in the live data feeds. If those local connections blink or fall out of sync, your entire system requires immediate hands-on maintenance to get back online. The mental capital meant for analyzing market structure is consumed by troubleshooting software. You sit down to trade, but you end up working as a full-time IT administrator. Even if the software is perfectly tuned, the local machine itself remains a liability. Running automated strategies requires a personal computer powered on and awake 24 hours a day. That leaves the operation exposed to physical realities. A brief neighborhood power outage, a dropped Wi-Fi signal, or a random system crash will instantly sever your connection to the exchange. If that failure happens while an automated system is sitting in an open position, the resulting blind spot creates immediate financial exposure. The algorithm cannot manage a trade it can no longer see. The alternative is completely bypassing the local hardware. We can move the whole environment, charts, indicators, and execution, to an enterprise-grade cloud server that is fully built and running before you even log in. Removing the physical dependency eliminates the maintenance burden. It strips away the technical overhead and returns your focus entirely to strategy and execution. This is the exact infrastructure we deployed at the indicator store. We built a virtual private server, or VPS, that arrives completely pre-configured and ready to trade out of the box. There are no files to import and no directories to map. You access the terminal simply by double-clicking the VPS icon on your desktop. When you open NinjaTrader for the first time, the initial authentication is minimal. You enter your email address to automatically pull and configure your software licenses. From there, you just load up your preferred brokerage credentials. You can seamlessly switch between a live, funded account and a simulation environment. A process that traditionally demands hours of technical troubleshooting is compressed into a secure login sequence that takes less than 60 seconds. Inside the VPS, we loaded 5 preferred automated systems, engineered to trade the S&P 500 and NASDAQ. This modular setup lets you run 1, 3, or all 5 algorithms simultaneously. You maintain absolute authority, able to manually toggle any system off. To prove the efficacy of these algorithms, we take the exact configuration running on this VPS and broadcast it live 24 hours a day on our YouTube channel, complete with the full performance reports. Trust in algorithmic trading isn't built on marketing promises. By providing continuous, verifiable live data, the true performance of these systems is completely open to public verification. Moving this entire operation off-site offers a distinct lifestyle advantage: complete hardware independence. Once you establish the connection to the VPS and verify your algorithms are trading, your machine's job is done. You can close your laptop, power down your local computer, and completely walk away. Because the terminal exists on a dedicated remote server, the trading logic continues to process market data and execute orders safely in the cloud, uninterrupted. A system is only truly automated when its execution functions perfectly, regardless of your physical location or the status of your local hardware. The technical barrier that used to prevent everyday access to professional-grade, multi-system automation has been completely eliminated. You are deploying 5 highly sophisticated, parallel algorithms, but the user experience is no more complex than double-clicking a single icon. You can find the specific technical details of the remote server, along with the link to watch the systems trading live, down in the video description. We also have a free Discord chat room, linked below as well, where you can grab the full login instructions and connect with me directly for support. The most powerful trading infrastructure doesn't require your constant attention. It operates invisibly, leaving you with nothing but the results.